viewers, welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. As we know that Navratri celebration has started, and during the fasting time during Navratri, and many of you will be wondering what is Navratri. Navratri means nine nights. Nava means 9 in Sanskrit, Ratri means is night. So this is a Hinduism festival, and I'm going to explore all the dishes that it is being used in the northern Indian side during this time. And so I'm starting off with ghee, how to make your own homemade ghee. So stay tuned and let's get into the next video. So to make ghee or unsalted, clarified unsalted butter, so for your home use cooking, and even to be used for sweets and also for savory cookings as well. And I'm going to show you how to make a homemade proper ghee by using a 1 block of unsalted butter that you can get from your grocery store. So let's go into the video and see. So first of all, we need to unwrap the butter. Make sure this is on room temperature. And let's get into the video to the next process. So we'll add the unsalted butter into the pan. And we shall turn the stove to a low medium. I'm using number 3 in my stove. So I'm going to melt this butter down, and I will show you more detail as the butter gets melted. As you can see now, the butter block has already been completely melted, and now it's starting to boil. At this point, we will wait until it comes to a vigorous boil, a little stronger. So from there, we will scoop out all the milk solids from this butter. So from now, I'm just going to scoop all the milk solid, as I'll show you. And just strain them. And we'll wait for a little while for more milk solid to come out. already got out almost everything. They look solid. There are a little bit more, that's fine. So now I'm going to just try to switch off the stove and transfer them into another container. I'll see you later. Dear viewers, this is the end product of the ghee that you make it in your own from your home. So you can use them for sweets like the Indian sweets or anything, or cooking like main dishes, gravies and so on. And I'll be using butter in my cooking a lot, so this is one way of doing it. So happy cooking. See you in my next video, and do like the channel and share it with others and to share the knowledge as well, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.